Hello guys, today we are going to watch the program or understand the program which is using the float type data type. Okay, so I have already written a file, so I'm just opening it right now. Yeah, float. Okay, so the shortcut key for zoom in is function F5. Here we are, here on the screen, as we can see, there is a program written, program to use float function, so that we can use the fraction type values. In the integer data type we cannot use the fraction values. Okay, but when we use the float function, then we are able to use the fraction values. Okay, like point after point decimal numbers. Okay, so now just start explaining. Okay, I'm just starting explaining. So here, as usual, first statement we can say hash include stdio.h, second statement hash include con.io.h. These both are the library functions we can use in almost all the C programs in our series. Okay, so now after that, third statement is void main. Here void means I have not passed any return value, and after main there the brackets are empty, so I have not passed any argument inside the bracket. And after that, opening curly brace, and then here I have written float ABC, means I have written the I have passed the variable ABC to be of the type of float data type. Okay, then clear screen, then printf, enter the value of A. Scanf means in the output section the system asks user to write the value, then and then we can use scanf function. So here there is a change between the scanf while we are using the int data type and float data type. In integer data type we use, here we write percentage %d, but here as we have passed the ABC variable to be of the float data type, then we have to write percentage %f. Okay, here percentage %f is very much essential point to understand. It is the only difference between the int data type and float data type. Okay, then after that print the value, enter the value of B. Scanf percentage %f and B. Okay, here I just use the addition function. C is equal to A plus B, printf addition is equal to percentage %f. Here printf, in also printf also I have write the percentage %f because the C variable is also passed in the float data type. That's why I have used percentage %f in the printf section, and then C, then it is ch, opening curly bracket, semicolon. In all the end of the string, semicolon is very much essential in the C program, in the Turbo C software, to give the end to the statement. These whole are statements. Okay, these whole are statements, and to end the statement there is use of semicolon. Okay, after that, at last there is closing curly brace. Now I am going to just run this program, and then we are going to see what is happening in the output section. The shortcut key for running the program is Control F9, but if you can't use the shortcut key, then here there is the option of run, enter. Here it is written as Control F9, so I'm just using Control F9 because it's easy and fast. Okay, if there is any error, then the system stops right there and you have to make changes. You are not redirect to the output section, but as in my program there is no any error, so I'm just redirected to the output window. So here it is the output window, as you can see on the screen. Here the system asks me to enter the value of A, but before, in my previous programs I write the same program, but I have used the int data type, so I cannot use the point decimal type value. But now as I have passed the float data type, I can use the decimal point value. Okay, so here I'm just writing 5.56. Here 0.56 is only written when I use the float data type, not in the integer. Okay, enter, then enter the value of B. Yes, I have passed 6.78. Okay, now when I enter the enter, button, then I'm seeing the result of this addition is equal to 12.340000. Okay, here I have got the value in the decimal form only, means it just gave me in the float data, just gave me the precise value anytime. Okay, so when we have to use the decimal type value, then we have to make we have to use the float data type. Now when I'm press enter, I'm coming out of the output section, and again we are there. So guys, here all it is, the float, how we use the float data type in the C program. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and sure to like, subscribe and share. Okay.